Feeling overwhelmed by the time it takes to send follow-up messages to your leads? Imagine being able to reach out to your contacts with just a click, consistently and professionally. Well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to show you how to create custom SMS and email templates using GoHighLevel that will save you time and streamline your follow-ups. Let's start with SMS templates. Once you're on the GoHighLevel dashboard, navigate to the Marketing section in the sidebar. Select Templates, then click on Add Templates and choose Add Text Template. Enter a name for your SMS template. After naming your template, enter the SMS body, including any custom values you'd like to use. You also have the option to attach files if needed. Once everything is set, click the Save button to save your template. Every SMS sent through GoHighLevel will cost approximately $0.1343, which will be deducted from your account. To create an email template, click on Add Templates and select Add Email Template. Choose a name for your email template and add a subject line. Enter the email body text, including any custom values you'd like to use. Use the formatting toolbar to style the template to your liking. You also have the option to attach files if necessary. Once everything is set, click the Save button to save your template. When you're ready to send an email, simply click the Edit button next to your desired template. Enter the sender's and receiver's email addresses, then hit Send to deliver the email. And that's a wrap. Ready to streamline your follow-ups and boost your productivity? Start your 30-day free trial with GoHighLevel today. Plus, schedule your kickoff call for seamless onboarding. Find all the useful links in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.